How to make images move in CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you make images move in CapCut. So let's get started. First, you have to open CapCut application on your device. Alright, after you open CapCut, from there you'll have to tap on new project, and from there you'll have to import the images from where you want to make that image move. In my case, I will add this random picture on my CapCut project. Alright, as you can see, I have added two random images on my CapCut project. Now to make images move in CapCut, there is two method. Like on the first one, there is adjust method. For that, tap on that photo. After you tap on select, at the bottom, tap on animation. From here, you can choose a lot of multiple animation which will allow you to make images move. Like you can go with the option swipe left, swipe right, or you can choose any one of this animation on your picture. So this is the method like you can move images on CapCut. Although there is another method like you can do a keyframe on your image. For that, select your picture. After select, at the top of that selected image, you'll find a keyframe icon like a plus icon. So simply tap on that keyframe. Alright, after you add a keyframe, a red icon will show at the picture, and after you add that keyframe, you'll have to just slide or move that image where you want to move that image. Like at the ending of that image, you'll have to try that image position while you are moving the position of that image, and after you do that, you can easily move the position of image on CapCut. So this is not perfect, but this is the method like you can add animation, or you can as usually use keyframe on your CapCut project. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.